If you're like me and you've been struggling to clear a toenail fungus from your foot for years, I've been trying to clear a toenail fungus. This is the only thing that has ever worked for me. And it's so simple, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. I'm Diana Herman from CMD Skin Solutions. I'm a Chinese medicine dermatologist, and I have been struggling for 7 years to clear a toenail fungus from my big toe that I got from a pedicure. And I have tried everything. Every single product I could find for toenail fungus over the counter. I've tried special ones from nail salons. I have tried all natural ones. I've tried everything I saw on TikTok. This is the only thing that has ever worked for me, and it's so simple. You need just 3 ingredients: antiseptic mouthwash like Listerine, white vinegar, and CMD Skin Solutions Solution YF herbal foot soak. It's an antifungal, a packet of antifungal herbs. Okay, so get a bucket with a lid, or something that's big enough to soak your foot in. We used to keep herbs in these, so I have a ton of these. Or you can put it in a pan that's big enough to fit your foot, and then pour this solution into a jar or something to store at night, because what we make here you can use for a week. And so you can reuse it each day for a week before you have to make a new batch. You're going to, oh, that was messy. I don't know what happened there. You're going to fill it. You want to fill it just high enough to be able to cover your entire foot. So even if it's just your toenail that's infected, soak your whole foot. 2/3 of it will be white vinegar. 1/3 of it will be the antiseptic mouthwash. And then you're gonna drop this little packet of our herbs in there, and you're gonna soak your foot for 15 to 20 minutes, or if you're obsessive compulsive like me, 30 minutes, because you're so afraid this damn fungus is never gonna go away. But 15 to 20 minutes a day is enough. You have to do it every day. You're gonna soak your foot in this every single day. And after you soak your foot, trim your toenail down as far as you possibly can. And that you might be trimming your toenail maybe 3 times a week. It doesn't grow very fast, but you wanna trim all of the infected part off every chance you get. Make sure you put a lid on this so that it doesn't evaporate, because you are gonna use this for the course of a week. If you don't have something that has a lid, pour it into a jar that you can close. My dogs like the smell of this, and they have tried to drink it, and we don't want to kill your pets because this is alcohol. So please cover this, keep your pets safe, and don't waste it, right? It'll evaporate quickly. You want to treat until your entire toenail is clear. It takes about 10 months for a big toenail to grow out fully. So be patient. And frankly, I would treat for a full month after that, because you want to kill the fungus, kill it again, kill it a 3rd time to be sure that it's dead. So treat until your toenail is clear, and then for like another month after that. Same if you are treating athlete's foot. I'm Diana Herman from CMD Skin Solutions. If you have a skin problem, we have your skin solution. This is the YF herbal foot soap. Literally, this group of ingredients is the only thing that has resolved my toenail fungus. So hopefully it helps you too. See you next time.